Everyone, welcome to this live workshop on LinkedIn post automation. I'm Pranav Veerani, and today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT, Google Sheet, and Mac.com to automate your LinkedIn post. Um, before we jump in, um, drop in chat where you're from and what your biggest struggle is with LinkedIn posting. I did love to know, and maybe even tailor the demo a bit based on that. So today's we are learning like uh, why your LinkedIn posting struggles. So most of the time people are facing the time, they don't have a time for the manual posting and much more time. The idea generation to execution to planning and everything's like it's very headache for them. So in this workshop we will tell you that we will not how to overcome the manual posting, how to do brainstorming, and how to consistently posting on the LinkedIn, so you can build a brand even for yourself or even for your company. So what you will learn from the today's session. So we will go from the content, writing content with ChatGPT, organizing with bullshit, to publishing on LinkedIn using Mac.com. You will leave this session with the system you can reuse and over again. So it's required no coding skills, only 100% automations, and yeah. So for we use automation tools. The first one is ChatGPT for the content generation, and the second one is the Make.com, where we can automate our workflow to connect all the platform on Mac.com. Then we use Google Sheet for content planning and for our data source and for planning. And for the LinkedIn, we use, this is our final destination, platform. So we need to publish on that platform. So we need to connect all the things in the Mac.com. So yeah. So in yeah. So what we do from like in ChatGPT, we create the post sample content. I'll show you the prompt, and you can after the session I will share it with you that prompt as well for a 30-day content calendar plan. You can modify it as per your needs. Also, Google Sheet structure, how to structure Google Sheet that we can use in the automation. So for Mac.com, we set up the full workflow, and yeah, once it's like verified by you or your agent, it will go live on the publish on the LinkedIn. So yeah, for now, this here like let's start writing, crafting in the ChatGPT for like I will show you a sample prompt I use for LinkedIn Teams. You can ask ChatGPT to write hooks, hashtags, and city as well. So let me show you the LinkedIn prompts for this. So I have write this one, this post. So it is basically the for the 30 days content planner. So it tells, yeah. So it's a 30-day LinkedIn variation to professional. Just command it to professionally promote and humanize content so people can easily understand. Be written in clear and professional way. Human centered tone. Start with hooks, inside a relatable story. Highlight on one unique takeaway or core idea from the article. Include a thoughtful questions or call to actions to drive. So this way you can command the chat gpt as well what type of format we need. So this is full template. So for our automation we need required date, time, image URL, post content, title image, and website URL as status of the post. So which will require dates. It is depends on you where you want to publish on your content on particular dates or time. So you can adjust in the sheets as well. You can store your URL directly from the website or even the Google Sheet or on Google Drive. You can store and share it on the sheet as well. Then website URL and the status. So in this status, you can add draft, or as well you can add no uh, for default, because once you create the content, this will automatically state as a no, because it's not published yet. Once this publish, it will generate, it will say to the yes status. Okay, so let me show you the ChatGPT. You can command it and it will create a Google sheet or any kind of Excel. So this is my actual Excel sheet that I commanded, and this is everything whichever required, whichever topics you like or your thoughts, you can add in the content part. So the ChatGPT will create according to your industries or your business needs, or even your personal area of interest. So this way you can generate 30 posts or even more than 30 in the Excel sheet, and then after you can upload it on the Google Sheet with this format. This is a sample format I'm showing you. Okay, this is a sample format. So it's have a date, time, URL, image, post, content, um, title, image, and website. So this is just a taste. I'm showing the sample. This is taste post. Okay, yeah, this is taste post. So like, let me status to know for your understanding. Okay, and let me, yeah, let me change time to so it's date time is like, yeah, 14. Okay, is same. Okay, so let me show you how to create workflow in the mac.com. So we will go to the mac.com websites, and yeah, here we can go. This is the mac.com, and you can create multiple type of workflow whichever you required. So the first one is like, we need to create, first we need to go to the add to the scenario session scenario, and then create a one add. So now first we required uh, hmm, goal sheet, and we required, yeah, so we need to tell the Google Sheet that you search for the row, so this is search for the row one by one. Okay, so first function is to search a row. So we need to add search a row. Okay, so if you are first time on the mac.com, so it will, okay, so it will require login via gmail.com. So you need to first sign in with the Gmail, and here you can add and sign in with the Google. Okay, then its connection is completed. Then after, you need to search from the drive, and you need to search like whichever is your name on the sheet. So this is a goal sheet, and like I'm pasting over here. So selecting the LinkedIn post automation June 25. Sheet name is the sheet name is a tab. So you need to select the tab which your tab is. So I'm selecting the master because I give this tab name is master, and all the function I will do in this sheet only. So okay, so then after, the table content header is yes, because it will search the row one by one, and we have to select the column range. So it will searching out from particular channels, particular rows and the columns. So it is by default, keep it as it is. If you want some specification, then you can click on this and you can adjust it as per your needs. So first is filtration. So like how the row selecting. So first we need to add the date function here in the filter. So first criteria is whenever the mac.com searching for the new rows, so it first search today's date. So days from the today, tomorrow, or in the future. So we require daily postings, right? Daily posting or in a weekly posting. So we will add filtration of date a, like date is this one, the day rows, a column, and then after we need to add uh, operator. So in the operator we need to add daytime operator equals to, and we need to add uh, calendar. We need to go to the calendar, and then after we need to add formatted date. So in this format, we need to find first the existing, well, current date and time post, now post, and then after we need to set our format, date format, month format, and year format. So this way, the board will count the dates, uh, okay, particular dates. And now means it's only for today's date. So it will proceed when like it is today's 29, so it will work on the 29th only. If it is on the 28th, then it won't work, and even on its 13th, then it is also not work. So this command gives today's event. Okay, so it is order, and we need to set our bundle limits. So bundle is like they were executing one by one every 50 minutes, one cycle. So we need to set the limits, because in the mac.com it is free. We used our credits, so we need to again add the some amount of credits, or as well they gives a 1000 operation free. So you can utilize that as well for the beginning when you once you start this mac.com use of then you need to save it. Okay, so now this is the shade row is done. Now we need to add another function, like if we need to get this image URL. So for image URL you can use if you are publishing from the website, so you can easily get from the image URL from the websites, or you can add Google Drives. You can upload image on the Google Drive, and then you can share it here as a link of the images. So it will fetch here. So for that we need to add HTTP to get the URL of the image. So okay, so we get a file here. Okay, so we need to add URL, image URL. Okay, these sections, image URL. Then our final comes LinkedIn. So we need to create a post. So we need to select create a user LinkedIn text post. Create a user text post. Okay, for whenever we need to share article or even the image. So you can easily change as per your needs in these sections. So here first you need to connect your LinkedIn account to the mac.com. So you once here is add, and you can add via the LinkedIn or OpenID Connect. So it will connect your professional, like professional LinkedIn account as well as your company's LinkedIn account. If you want to publish via your company's page, so it is also connect the page here. And for the content, we need to add the post. We need to add posts, the post content, this content, post content. So it is published on the caption part. Okay, so it will like this. We need to select a post content. So for posting, so here is a some of we need to make sure some of things like some this character, special characters. So if you add some kind of special character in the posting, so it will won't post, it will become empty, not whole content but some of portion of the special character contents. So you have to make sure that you cannot add this kind of kind of special characters in your content post. Okay, so if you add, then you have to check it again and you have to modify it. Okay, so now next is like we have to select what type of post we are posting. So right now we are posting the article post. Okay, article post. And if you want to post something else, you can uh, select other. Okay, it is easily modified in the mac.com here. Okay, so now first we need to get the url of the pages, like whichever page you want to share on the linkedin by automatically. Okay, so we need to add the website url. Okay, website url. And then title, the title is image title, or the URL which you said, it's the title. Then after the, if you want to add descriptions, you can add, because it show like this, your image, the title, then after description, and that whole your like one block of image, title and the description. So it is depend on you. And now you have to set the thumbnail. So how you get the thumbnail? So we, that's why we create the http and we get file from that particular link. So if you are using drive, then file url links is convert file, get a file from that drive to here, and we get our thumbnail. So http get a file. Okay, if you want to add a thumbnail alt text is important. So you can add a title image. Okay, so now the, if you want to select visibility from only to your connection, you will login member only, or you can go directly publish to all. So more majorly I I need to increase my visibility to everyone, so I will go to directly public and the main friend made feed drips. And then if you want to reshare, so you can also say to yes, but for now we select to no, for for the easiness of this process. Once you adapt or learn by yourself, so you can experiment it with the reshares option as well. So I will save it, this function, and then we move forward to the other function. So once this post is published, so how we know that post is published? So for that we need, so for this this is why we add the status row column. So here it is a no. So how we get this data to yes, if it is the post is published? So how the we know? So for that we need to again add some again add google sheet. So google sheet we need to update this status no to yes. So we need to add cell, update a cell, set of functions. So update a cell, we add the update a cells. You already have a login to the google, so you don't need to configure again. So you just need to select the google sheet, which id is like this. You can go to copy and or you can directly search on that, and you can select the master and the cell whichever you like the cell is g. Okay, g, and here is whole g gem 10 gem 1. So we need to just select the cell like this. Okay, g, and then we need to add a row. So row number, full row number. So it will select like column is g, and it selects one by one row. If so it configure it configure one by one, like it is date, and select the date. If it publish, then it will go back to that cell, it is published yes, then it convert to the value yes. Okay, So it will change once it is published, then status is yes, and the once it's yes, the it this that post will not again repeating. Okay, so this function is done. So let's check. Let's check here, like this. Okay, so just run this. Let's see how it is going. Okay, so the workflow is working, and we can see here in my colleague's account. Uh, okay, the post is published. Okay, so this is test post, this is the image that I used, and this is test post and the website name here. So you can click on that, you can redirect to the particular websites. Okay, so I use this image. Let me show you the image. So now status is yes, so it won't work, it won't publish again this post. Okay, okay, so I use this image. Let me show you. Yeah, this is the image. Okay, so now here we need to add. So it will no, don't read this time thing as of now. So now we need to add some filter and the tool as well in between the Google Sheet and the HTTP. So once the date is searching for the particular today's date, so it will not directly do the publishing part. So first it requires some timing. Okay, so we need to here add a filtration, add a filtration of tool, add a module and add tools, and we need to set a variable. Okay, so variable name is, like, we need to add time underscore sheet, not this. Okay, and the variable value is time. So we need to set up a time and then save it, and then we need to add a filter here, set up a filter. So whenever we only the one bundle, it will be going forward, and it is value to equal to the one, text operator is one. So only the one one full row is going to the searching, and it will go is one per post. Okay, so if you are spamming on the LinkedIn, so LinkedIn will ban, LinkedIn team will ban you. Okay, so make sure don't spam, just quality content on the LinkedIn. So for that we add this bundle operator one. So only one post will be post at a time. Okay, and then after we need to set here as a time. So if like for example, I set the time, but we did not set any kind of, we did not command key it's like almost 2 p.m. or 1 p.m. or kind of 3 p.m. or 6 or 7 p.m. So it will get automatically published the content. So for that we need to set up the this times filtration, because we need to if the time is less, if the time is more, like if it is 6 p.m. post, and we run this workflow, so this workflow will like uh, automatic work if we don't didn't set this time filter. So we need to set a time operator here. So if it is 6 p.m. and we are at 3 p.m., so if we run this workflow, so it didn't post before the time. Okay, so at 6 p.m. or even at 6:30, the post will be published once this workflow continuing like the active. Okay, so here we need to set time operator. Okay, not like this, need to scroll it down manually. Time operators is less than now. Okay, so now operator, we need to find it here in the calendar. Okay, so variable is now. Okay, so now means the day, the timing. Save. Okay, so if I select here like uh, for suppose 16. Okay, so if I run this workflow, okay, I just okay. When something is bit okay. So here you can see the time is bigger than we have to post 4 p.m. and we are currently running at this time, so it won't work it out. Okay, so the glitch is like this, and if you are setting 2 times posting, so it gets some days error, but not every time. Okay, so you need to select uh, at least 1 hour differences in between the posts, so it will not glitch out. Okay, so this is post uh, tasting post post 2. You need to set it at a different time. Okay, let me, it's at 2:30. Okay, it's not posted yet. Okay, so now we run this workflow. Okay, so it get published. Okay, we can again refresh this screen. Yeah, tasting post 2. You get tasting post 2. It gives the yes. Okay, so that's how you set up this workflow on your day-to-day basis. If you are on, you can set this workflow on your own on the weekend, or you can plan your whole month's content plan on your weekend, and you can just simply set up in the mac.com. And with Google Sheet, it is very easier to manage and change everything like the date, time, post content, URL, and the status as well. So you don't need to worry about. And after you just set these whole things, you just keep it every 15 minutes. So it will again crawling, and every 15 minutes it will get searching out if it is exact day and time. So it will publish your post. If it is not a relevant time, so it will post during this. If it is date is not matched, then it will stop here, and if time is not matched, it will stop here. So your post is not published on another time or date. So once it's right day and time, your post will be published. Okay, the you just have to then save this one. Okay, so now it was saved. Okay, so that's how you publish, and you whole planning things. Okay, so let me show you like how I plan the, let me share. So that's how I plan. Like this is I did planning via automating everything. My LinkedIn post, the post and hashtags, title images, and image URL, websites, date and time. It is very easier to organize all the things in here. So for that, like I've tried multiple systems as well, platform as well, like in the Meta Shoots as well. I use the Adobe calendars. Even I use Canva calendars, but it's have some kind of the glitches, and the platform is very bulky, so it takes so much time of me. It's consume lot of time. So via Google Sheet and Mac.com, it will be very easier for me to organize, like not only the 1 month content, but 3 4 months contents. Even though I already set up my 1 year of content ahead of the time, and I'm also updating on it with with the AI agents as well. Okay, so the right now is boom of like how we utilize our time, and uh, ready for like how we use some amount of time, and utilize whole automation process in our day-to-day life to increase our visibility, increase it will build our personal brand as well as our company brand as well. So that gives a little bit of flexibility. So let me summarize this. So we used ChatGPT for content creation, Google Sheet for content storage, and Make.com for automations, and the LinkedIn is for the our audience. So set up once and post forever. Okay, this is me. So I'm a digital marketing consultant and trainer, and I have 5 year of experience in the digital marketing and growing multiple brands. And I did a lot of automation for myself and even for the some companies. So most of the manual things are automated, so we can focus on the other things. And if you have any kind of questions, or you want so you can write in the comments, or I'll share this uh, full automations video with you or your email, as well as the full guide with you in the written format as well, so you can easily set up this LinkedIn automation system in on your on for yourself or even for your company. So that will give you benefit. And you can also go for if you want to learn more into the AI automation part, or even you want to learn a digital marketing for with like changing the the SEO with help of AI overuse, as well as paid marketing, as well as email marketing, social media. So you can also enroll in my digital marketing course. So you can just go to the fsidm.in. So I have a full digital marketing course. So I also added the AI automations part in the the course, so it will giving you the boost in terms of more flexibility in your timing, as well as you just automate everything by yourself. You learn the whole fundamentals with practically, and also you set up multiple platform by your with yourself, or even for your company. So it's upgrading your skills, because right now is marketings are there, but we need to speed up our knowledge things, as well as our how we do our work in a better way, with less hurdles and more practical way, with the different use of different platforms and technologies. For like whenever ChatGPT is not there, we use lot of research, timing research, like 1 or 2 hours. Now ChatGPT is there, so it's require only the 5 minutes or even that 1 minute. And now if you are set up this system, so you get just have to clicks once in a while. You have to set up once in a while, and your LinkedIn LinkedIn branding is automated for for a year or even a month. So I suggest first try 1 month for the content planning. Then if you are very comfortable that you get more ideas and more insightful things in a good quality way, so you can publish on the one post in a 1 week, or even a twice a post in a week, or even you can post daily regularly by yourself. The mac.com and the the Google Sheet will helpful to connect with each other, and ChatGPT is already helping you with a lot of brainstorming stuff. You just need to overview. And for the in this course, I am also introducing the AI agent. So right now we are using prompt, and we manually the copy and pasting in the sheet. So for that, I just need to command, we need to set in the mac.com the ChatGPT. We command ChatGPT with our prompts, and also ChatGPT is also overviewing our content, so it will automated. We don't need to even overview. So we just need to give our thoughts and the what I say, idea, like who, like if I develop automation system for my company, so I just understand, like we just need to give ideas or understanding to the AI agent for our brand, brand, particular brand tone, the how they are posting couple of ideas, the couple of errors and trials. Then after perfect agent is ready for you, even you don't need any kind of social media person to handle this. It will get automated even for your personal brand as well. If you are some kind of niche experts, or kind of you just need to showcase your expertise in particular things, like for me is digital marketing. So I'm posting regular posting on the LinkedIn. It is full automated, and I already created my Pranav Veerani clone in the with help of ChatGPT and with help of Mac.com. I developed my own agent, so it's behave like me, that how I do my work, how my tone is, how my the pose is, and all things. So it will gives the good. So this is my course that I am delivered to the a lot of students as well. I train a lot of people. So this is all. And if you have any kind of if you are finding any kind of hurdles in the setting the this LinkedIn automation post, you can also connect with me or my websites as well, or you can just ping me on my LinkedIn. So it will give you, like I will help you in that, as well as if you want to enroll in my course. So you can also contact me via fsidm.in, or you can directly DM on my LinkedIn. Yeah. So yeah. So thank you so much for joining this uh, wonderful LinkedIn automation post.